Oh. Here. I help you. Emmy in the bucket. What is that, Emmy? You want the bucket? There you go. 200. And then you could just start saying 201, 202. Where are you going, Emmy? Where are you going? There you go. Good pivot. Got to plant that left foot. But if you lift that left foot again, that's traveling.
Who's after 209?
210.
210. Then
11, 12.
11.
No, 212.
212.
Not 210, 11. 212, 213.
213.
You get your bucket? Bucket.
Oh.
Bucket. Bucket.
I'm going to show how many walks I have.
Okay.
Come over here.
Hold on. Yeah. What? Hold on. Keep counting. You're at 220. You're at 213. 14. 215. 216. No. No. Emmy and nature. That's a peach pit. No, you don't eat the peach pit. No, we don't eat this stuff. We also don't play with it.
224.
And here's Mia. She's not obsessing.
225. 226. 227. 228. 229. Then
What comes after 29?
230.
Very good. Keep going. 230. 1.
231. 232. 233.
Emmy, she's not obsessing.
234. 235.
Bucket!
236. 237.
Yeah.
238. 239. 236.
No, 240. Not 230, 50.
240.
41.
241. 242. 243. 244. 246. 247. Oh, look at this one.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Come here.
Wow.
It's wet because it rained a couple of days ago,
Uh-huh.
and my whole bucket.
249. Nuts. And you just made a mess of water and rocks, Mia. You got that rock up there.